Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting location and camera permission, because without them the app can't tag images or record accurately. Once done, make sure your phone has at least 20% battery and sits outdoors or near a window so satellites lock. This usually takes 30 to 60 seconds. Next, open the GPS camera app and pick photo or video mode. This determines metadata fields. You're now ready for the first capture step, and you'll see a live preview with overlays for coordinates and heading. You should configure formats and overlays before shooting because consistent settings save time later. First, choose decimal versus DMS coordinate format, and if required, set the correct datum for mapping. Then enable overlays you need: coordinates, altitude, timestamp, and compass, so each image carries the right context. Also adjust image quality and resolution. Once tuned, check the Save Folder and Cloud Sync options. This ensures files land where you expect and preserves metadata. You now capture and immediately validate each image. Frame your subject, lock exposure and focus to avoid blur, then press the shutter or start recording. Steady the device for consistent results. After each shot, review overlays for legibility and check GPS accuracy. Look for precision within a few meters and correct timestamp. If metadata is missing, retry outdoors. Finally, export or share using the app's tools and backup originals to cloud or SD. Troubleshooting tip: if GPS fails, toggle location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.